Well, we're here at the MTC 1 year on from the launch of Made Smarter. What have we done in a year? Well, I think we can be pretty proud and pretty pleased. We have a new leadership team that is championing the implementation of Made Smarter, the Made Smarter Council. We're creating some stronger technology ecosystems to allow especially small to medium-sized engineering companies engage, work out how they can implement digital technologies. And we're also working really hard to put in place what we're calling a national adoption program. It's being piloted in the northwest of England. It's well funded. We now have a small team assembling. We want to launch it later this year, and that will be a platform, a group of people, a group of specialists where local businesses can go, get help, support, advice, engage with ecosystems, and a leg up on implementing digital technologies. The key learning that I would take away is that in Britain we sometimes gaze up our navel a little bit too much, and we do try and invent our own things, do it more local. And actually in some of the key areas like standardization, like investing in R&D in some of the larger platform areas, in terms of testbeds and sharing the resources of testbeds, we need to do that more. We've had a fantastic panel talking on stage here today from people who are leading these Made Smarter type of initiatives in Mexico, in Japan, in France, in Italy, and we've had a brilliant conversation. And you know, the conclusion is that actually we're all on very similar journeys.